you work in marketing or social media, you are gonna love these 5 DeepSeek prompts. These are gonna turn you into marketing genius. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, let's jump into this. So DeepSeek was released just a few weeks ago. A lot of people are using it because it's really, it has given ChatGPT a real challenge. DeepSeek reasoning model, R1 model with the web search is just amazing. All right, some of these prompts are basic, some are advanced, but all of these are going to be super useful. And I'll explain all of these prompts you can use, and I'll give you the prompts too if you want to use, but I want you to not just copy paste the prompt, but learn the thinking behind the prompt so you can create not 5, not 10, like 50, hundreds of these for your own brand or business. All right, number 1, I call this the organic marketing strategy. So I'm building like an organic marketing strategy bot, or creating organic marketing strategy. And here's the prompt, and I'm using this structure. It's a new structure that a lot of people are using online. It's going viral on the internet. So it has 4 steps: context, planning, format, and then the output. Those 4 steps. So what's the context? You're a marketing expert with focus on building organic growth strategy. You will search my competitors for social media channels, and you will then create organic strategy for my business for Facebook and Instagram. If you want other channels, you can put those here. And then what's the planning rules? First, identify 5 competitors and then analyze their growth strategy. What's the format? I want bullet points because it's easy to read, scan. What content format we should focus on, that's what I want to know. And also include the frequency of the post. So basically, I want this, with this prompt, I want DeepSeek to research 5 of my competitors and then create a organic marketing strategy. You can also do it for paid. Organic marketing strategy in this case, so we can grow our channels. Here's the format, and then what's the output? Based on the above mentioned instructions, create a marketing strategy for my business. And here's the description of my business. It provides tools, resources, education about AI. The audience is busy business owners who want to learn about AI. And make sure you have both Deep Think R1 turned on and research, and you can see the thinking process. So it plans the whole thing. It's going to identify 5 competitors, and then it's going to do the next step. It's going to look at the content format, posting frequency. So you can see all the thinking that DeepSeek is doing. And now here is the output. This is unbelievable. You know, in my agency, we used to work with clients, we still do. It used to take us hours, sometimes half a day, to build organic marketing strategy, or even like paid marketing strategies for clients. It used to take so much time. And now look at this. Here's the competition analysis. It got the 5 competition key findings. What's the content format that's working really well? Short explainer videos, 60% of the top posts. Then carousels, posting frequency. So it got that down from the competition. And then here's the content strategy for us. And then here's the short form videos, focus on that. And then here's the example: 60-second AI hacks for busy entrepreneurs, automation emails with AI. Oh my God, this is a really good idea. And then use AI video tools as educational carousels, case study, how companies, XYZ company boosted revenue by 40% using AI. That's actually a really good case study. Posting frequency, and then engagement growth tactic, optimal times to post, metrics to track. And then also, it's also for everything, it's giving you resources, different resources that it's using for its recommendation. You can also go look at those resources too. Unbelievable. So organic marketing strategy, this full prompt. I didn't go read this line by line to save time in this video, but I'll give you this below in the description so you can use this. But again, don't just copy paste and use it, change it, put your own twist, put your own spin, let your brain creativity run wild. All right, that was number 1. Number 2, finding leads on Google. Yes, you can use DeepSeek to generate leads for your business. So for example, look at this. Search on Google for a directory of plumbing companies. It could be anything: dentists, HVAC, lawyers, accountants. It could be anything for you. From Dallas, Texas. and put it into a clean list with columns of their business names, emails, phone number, and other info you find. And look at this. So here's the business name, phone number, and then the additional information, which is the address in some cases. Actually, not address. Actually, some of the other stuff that's really interesting to know. Unbelievable. And obviously, it couldn't find the phone number in every case. So it just listed the phone number in some instances, found the phone number, so it listed those. And then if it didn't find the phone number, it didn't list those. But this can really improve or make your lead generation process really, really fast. All right. Number 3, it's also kind of lead generation. Number 3, it's lead generation, but on Instagram now. Not on, the second example was on Google. This one is on Instagram. So search Google for together leads, and this is what we're gonna search. Site Instagram.com, which means it's gonna search inside the Instagram ecosystem, and then in title and whatever type of leads you want, you can put those here. It could be, again, dentist, lawyer, social media experts, B2B expert, SEO experts. And then I want you to create a clean column of leads with their name, business name, social media, so any information that you find. And look, by the way, you can also use this. Some people do, they work with influencers. So influencer, if you want to find influencers in a certain niche, you can use something similar. You can use a similar prompt, whatever type of influencer, travel, food, think of any, like B2B, B2C, tech influencers. You can put those here and it will find those people. I look at this first name and then business name and Instagram URL, and look at this. Unbelievable. Some additional information. And if you click here, it should take you to their Instagram page. So you don't have to, in the past, we used to pay for to discover influencers in certain niches. We used to pay for different tools, but you don't have to anymore thanks to DeepSeek. All right, that was number 3. Number 4, and actually this is one of my favorite and really, really simple one. When you create content online, videos or text, the hook, the first sentence, the first couple of sentences, first few seconds of your video are super important. So what I'm going to do is, you are an expert hook generator. Hooks are the first sentence of a video, can also be used as a blog title. I will provide you different topics and you will generate 5 different variations of hooks. Make these hooks so irresistible that people have to stop scrolling on social media to read these. Confirm that you understand, and next I will give you the topics. And it said, okay, got it, I understand. And then here's the topic. I post a lot about ChatGPT prompt. So my topic was 5 ChatGPT prompts to improve marketing. But look at the hooks it came up with. Here, look at this. Stop wasting time on guesswork. These 5 ChatGPT prompts will give your marketing strategy a genius level upgrade. So imagine, compare this hook with the hook I had in my mind, right? This is like night and day difference. Want to double your engagement and sales? These ChatGPT prompts are the secret sauce every marketer is raving about. Unbelievable. So again, you can turn DeepSeek into hook generator for your business. All right, number 5, it is LinkedIn content ideas, viral content ideas. And I'm using the same format here, the context and then the planning and then the format rules. So the context in this case is LinkedIn content expert specializing in virality. That's who you are. Act as that. Search the web to find subtopic based on AI. So this is the topic I'm going with. For you, it could be anything, whatever your industry is, flowers, food, travel, blogging, whatever, you can put that here. Planning, search 5 trends, validate the urgency, controversy, and practicality, and then structure 1 sentence hooks. So here's my planning that I'm giving, and then the format that I want is 3 bullet points, post ideas, because I want viral post ideas for LinkedIn or other social media. And again, it did its thinking. You can see how DeepSeek is thinking through this problem. And then here you go. AI-driven LinkedIn virality, 5 trends to capitalize on. Angles, number 1 is AI versus authenticity, the content paradox. Check this out. 54% of the long-form LinkedIn posts are AI. Wow, I did not know that. But audiences crave human stories, how to balance both. That is such a good angle, such a good hook or a topic for a viral post on LinkedIn. And it tells you why this works. Here's another one, generative AI and ROI gold mine. Video plus AI, LinkedIn's engagement hack. LinkedIn video engagement surged 107% since 2022. Use AI tool to automate scripting, not creativity. Again, such a viral, I would totally click on that. And then it gives you post ideas for different viral hooks. This is really cool. 92% of the companies use AI for productivity. The 8% are failing. Here is why. Wow. I actually love, I think I'm going to create content probably on all of these. And then here's the virality drivers, long form emoji use. And then also it puts all the credible sources at the bottom so you can reference those, because these are the sources it's using. Again, for all of these prompts, I turned on the deep thinking, so selected that, and also the web search. So creating marketing strategy, creating viral LinkedIn content, generating leads from Google and Instagram, and generating hooks. Step back and imagine for tasks like these, how much time you used to spend in the past. Now with DeepSeek, it's seconds, literally seconds. I'll put these prompts at the bottom so you can easily access those. But if you have any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.